Hi everyone! Welcome to Kairos Moments. My name is Bel Miranda. Kumusta po ang lahat? Kumusta ang mga pinagpala ng Diyos? Every day is a blessing and every breath is a blessing. And for this episode, let's talk about never forget your history with God. So, I do believe that most of us ay may kanya-kanyang buhay na patotoo sa kabutihan ng Panginoon sa ating buhay, as well as sa ating pamilya, sa ating career, or maging sa ating negosyo. Now, let me share this verse with you in Revelation chapter 12, verse 11. And they overcame him because of the blood of the Lamb and because of the word of their testimony, and they loved not their life even unto death. Now, let me begin with my testimony. Years ago, we made a bad decision, especially po ako when it comes sa finances. So, because I was in a hurry and I wanted to get things done and I was so aggressive. So, kung ano-ano mga pinagagawa ko noong mga panahong yon, though, kumbaga, I was so busy sa mundo. Busy ako sa kung ano pa man, ang kung anong pagkakakitaan. And because of feeling ko nga mali ang mga naging desisyon na ginawa ko, until one day, we realized and we found out that ang sobra palang naapektuhan na yung aming finances. So, dumating po sa point na akala namin, I was thinking that ang meron kami na fund because we have a business ay pera pa namin, pero we found out na lahat pala ng for collection namin na money ay pangbayad na lang pala sa utang. Sa madaling salita po ay puro kami utang, naging utang-utang kami noon. And ito pa yung naging situation namin. During the time, may mga deadline kami, may mga babayaran kami, may mga commitment kami, bayaran ng credit card, ng sasakyan, utang sa tao na inutangan namin, and of course, may papasweldohin na tao, and so many commitments na kailangan namin masettle. Kailangan namin mga mabayaran, ang dapat mabayaran. And in fact, I remember the amount and we found out na ang pera na lang pala na meron kami talaga, labas sa lahat ng collection, ay 6,000 pesos na lang. Until I realized also na, oh my, back to zero pala kami. Oh my, back to square one kami. Na parang pag naiisip ko, ang dami ng pinagpagbura namin sa business. And just because of one wrong decision, ay parang mapupunta pala sa wala. So I was thinking like that one. And I think I was hearing voices, and that voice was a voice of discouragement, voice of regret, and voice that is condemning myself, blaming myself because of the bad decision that I made. And I believe that voice was not the voice of God, because God is never the God of condemnation. And I praise God for that, because even if ganon yung nangyayari ng mga panahon na yon, because of that moment, the Lord reminded me that, hey, Bel, you have a history with me. That's why history with God, your encounter with God is very important. Lalo na kapag dumaan tayo sa, I may say that moment was one of my desperate moments in my life. So because buti sana kung ang meron kami ay babayaran lang, I keep on praying for the provision of the Lord. Kasi pag iniisip namin, Lord, nagtatites naman, nag-offering naman. Lord, pumupunta naman sa church, Panginoon. Pero Lord, bakit dumating sa ganito yung situation namin? And we did not expect that. But pag gano'n na pala yung situation, we praise God that He will always remind us of His goodness and faithfulness sa ating buhay. That yung encounter natin sa Kanya, He will remind us, naalala ko, that the Lord told me na kung nung una nga, you started na walang-wala. You started your business na inutang, na very small lang yung capital. And look what the Lord has done in our lives. So, nakakatuwa lang and masaya sa puso. Napakasarap na alalahanin ang kabutihan ng Panginoon at ang katapatan niya, na dumating ka man sa panahon na parang feeling mo lugmok ka, parang feeling mo nasa madilim ka, parang feeling mo paano kaya magsisimula ulit, paano kaya babangon ulit, paano ko kaya ulit pagdudugtungin, or paano ko kaya i-fix ang mga broken na. But God is so good in our lives. So, I just want to encourage you sa lahat ng nanonood nito. I praise God for that moment na napagdaanan po namin yon. And that voices of discouragement na naririnig namin, we must really recite and always declare the promises of the Lord in our lives. At lagi natin alalahanin ang magandang alaala natin na ginawa ng Panginoon sa ating buhay, sa ating mga nakaraan. That, hey Bel, He is the same God, the God of yesterday, today, and forever. He provided you before, and He is the same God na magpo-provide ngayon at magpakailanman. He will remain faithful to His word. He will always provide. Siya ang Diyos na nagpagaling noon at Siya pa rin ang Diyos na magpapagaling ngayon at laging magpapagaling sa habang panahon. Siya ang Diyos na nag-rescue noon, and same God siya na mag-rescue ngayon, and He will always rescue you forever. He will always protect you forever. So many reminders of the Lord in our lives. So always remember this. Our history with God is our written record in our heart of His faithfulness and goodness in our lives. That is our testimony, and that is very powerful. So to those who are watching this, I do not know who you are. I do not know your name. I do not know your situation. But I want you to know that there's no accident in God. Why you're watching this video, walang aksidente, walang nagkataon sa Panginoon. But I just want only to encourage you of these things, that if you're hearing voices that you're nothing, and it's like a voice of condemnation, discouragement, a voice of lie, and this enemy is telling you lies, tell him the truth, that you are loved by God, you are not condemned, you are not abandoned. You are well provided because you are a child of the Most High God, and He remains faithful. He never fails. He never fails to love you, to protect you, to guide you. He is so faithful. And also, please remember these three things. First, in whatever situation, lalo na if, we are facing challenges after challenges, remember this. Number one, remember who God is. Number two, remember who you are in the Lord and your testimony with Him, your history with Him. Number three, remember His promises. Dahil magbago man ang panahon, pero ang Kanyang pagmamahal hindi magbabago. Magbago man ang mga tao sa paligid natin, magbago man ang sitwasyon, pero Siya ay mananatiling tapat at mananatiling nagmamahal sa atin. So, do not worry. God is so faithful and He is able. Thank you and God bless.